pull off the graphics card because my video just stopped again. Looks like I've got to delete some stuff on my phone. And integrated graphics. Power. Click. Yeah, I have a bad motherboard, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna start unplugging everything. Great. Of course, I had to have someone get me a bad motherboard. It's tested and worked before it was sent. Why the fuck was it sent then? I'm gonna sit there and get the other board set up, so. Okay, I have everything plugged in. Power. You can kind of see my orange RGB. Power. Hold on. Where's my other PCIe? There's my other PCIe. Okay, never mind the PCIe's being a bitch. So it looks like I'm just gonna go with my smaller graphics card, because apparently his is fucked. My friend's is fucked. There. Now plug it in. We want to get a post. I think I'm gonna have to put this shit back in my case that I have. Or something failed in the SSD. Oh, no. There it goes. Well, why did it go black? Huh? Why did it go black? Wake up. Uh-oh. Well, it's not my TV. Well, it is the TV, actually. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I'm going to follow its instructions. Now then. Well, that shit. Let me start the computer, because it's obviously working properly. So I'm gonna go get my smaller TV, son.